Let's cover some Irish language alphabet. I'm Owen from Bite Size Irish Gaelic. Is Misha Owen ó Bite Size Irish Gaelic, agus inneamh bhhailm caint leat faoi abítear na Gaeilge. So when we're talking about the Irish alphabet, actually it's not so hard because the letters we pronounce it the same way when we're like reciting the alphabet. Except instead of A, we say A. So instead of A, B, C, D, E, F, we say A, B, C, D, E, F. So that's pretty easy, right? The only exception there is that Irish has less letters, fewer letters than the English alphabet, at least the traditional alphabet. If there's imported words, you might see these letters creep in. But the letters that we don't have in Irish generally are J, K, Q, V, W, X, Y, and Z, or Z. The only other thing to know is that the vowels A, O, U, I, E, they can have a little accent mark over them. And that accent mark is called the Sheena Fada. So when you see A with the little accent mark over it, you say A Fada. That's how we say that A has the little accent mark over it. Same with U. U Fada is U with the accent mark over it. So A Fada is pronounced A in words. O Fada is pronounced O. U Fada is pronounced U. I Fada is pronounced E. And E Fada is pronounced A. I hope you like that little tip and join us for more at bitesizeirishgaelic.com.